Well, got some stuff from the boot sale. Ignore the electric scooter. This is a Rofo B1 mountain bike, micro lube suspension system on it. This is from 1999. It's been sitting in its original packaging ever since. I mean, that's just crazy. Yeah, that's absolutely mad. 699 new. It's got deore on it. See there, Shimano deore. 27 speed, shouldn't drive shift, but pretty sure there'll be cable stretch anyway. Integrated headset. It's kind of nuts really. Truative FireX crankset. As you can see down there, it's a 3x9. Early days disc brakes though. These are clearly like an adapter on here that they sort of just drilled some holes in here and made it into a disc brake compatible frame, and then blanked off the V-brakes with some studs there, which is mad. The old Manitou Magnum suspension forks. Some overspray on there, nothing bad, but you know. It's kind of crazy, to be fair. Sitting for 21 years, never used. There's only a square tapered bottom bracket on it, but she's in pretty good condition. It's got the Zat Ridger wheels on it, which are reasonable, or at least they were back in the day. By today's standards, they're a bit flexy and a bit easy to buckle, but you know, for the time. Here we have another one. O2 X Fusion shock designed by Stratos. This one's got no air in it, obviously. This one appears to have sealed bearings. The other ones have shielded bearings, which is a bit strange. Yeah, 99 on there, as you can see. Hayes HMX1 disc brakes, mechanical disc brakes, but you know. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. Real long stem and bars on it though. These are definitely not modern mountain bikes. Piece of paper there that was stuck to it, don't know why. Yeah, that concludes the video on these retro mountain bikes.